Alright, if you want to rank number 1 on Amazon, you must know the right moves. Today I will break it down step by step, showing you exactly how to boost your ranking using 3 things: your main image keywords, pricing strategies, and all the other field of SEO. Sounds good? Let's go! And the first thing I'm gonna recommend is to add keywords in your main image. If I show you this, let's search vitamin supplements for men. Now here, this one is the best seller, and if you notice, the keyword that I searched, they have added these in the main image. And to be honest, it grabs my attention. That's also one of the reasons why this has become a bestseller. If you see, they added the keyword in the title as well. Later in this video, I'm gonna talk about this SEO part, but stick to the main image right now. You can get the keyword from the search query performance report, which is a great report to figure out which keywords to focus on. It will pre-sort everything for you. Now you need to be tricky to show keywords in the main image, because Amazon is strict about the main image rules. Says that main image must not include text, logos, borders, color blocks, watermarks, or other graphics over the top of the product. And your product must fit at least 85% of your canvas. But still you can add keywords. There are different ways you can do that. We like to add it on the packaging generally. That means you can also showcase the packages in the main image without breaking the rules. When you increase your CTR, you will increase your SEO rank. Here is why this works. When you get more clicks than your competitors, they'll start ranking lower and you move up. More clicks mean more traffic, and more traffic leads to more sales. But a lot of people think they have to choose between boosting CTR and keeping a good conversion rate. But that's not true at all. Think about it. Let's say a shopper is looking for a baking sheet. He sees this one and he's more likely to click on it. Why? Because he can almost smell the difference between these two. Now if he lands on this page, most likely he will buy it. Why? Because he can see the product's detail clearly. And for that, your conversion rate goes up just by showing cookies. You tell people what the product is for. Simple, right? This is why tip number 1 is to add a keyword to the main image. There are more things we can add to the main image. Now look at this. This is a kid journal. It shows the right age for the user. Now look at this juice. The keyword says no sugar added. This is not just a keyword trick. It helps the product stand out from the competition. So the thing is, showing the packaging in the main image is a smart move, because you can put some important keywords there and that helps a lot. This is a bit tricky, right? With so many options side by side. You need something that instantly catches the shopper's eye. That's why the goal here is to show the important info at a glance. Alright, after the main image, let's talk about the pricing. So this one right here, it's the best seller, currently going for $9, and last month alone it sold almost 40,000 units. That's really impressive. But let me show you the interesting part. This price isn't fixed. They have been tweaking it consistently. Just look at this, $12 here, $15, and then they slow down a bit at $10, then 26, and then 17, and now back to $9. They are clearly testing what works best, and it's paying off. Interestingly, when a new product launches, the first 60 to 90 days is very crucial, because it's the best time to get a lot of sales. This is what we call the honeymoon period. And during this particular time, Amazon gives your product a little extra love. I mean, boosting visibility, pushing it in front of more shoppers, and basically giving it a chance to prove itself. So at Ecom Clips, we follow a simple but highly effective pricing strategy. The time of launching, we usually start at 50% below of the target price and then gradually increase it over about 8 weeks. Week by week, we raise it by 5% or 10%. By this way, after 8 weeks, we reach the targeted price. This strategy has been incredibly effective. But here is the thing, it's not only for the new product, it also helps fix struggling listings. By lowering the price this way, we can bring the listing back to the life. Another thing is that If you have competitive pricing, chances are people gonna buy from you. Now let me tell you why. When a shopper needs kitchen tongs and 2 pieces are enough, they will naturally go for the better deal. If one is priced at around $8 and the same thing is available for around $6, the chances are they will click the cheaper one. But that doesn't mean the seller isn't making a profit. They're likely just trimming their margin strategically, maybe to boost sales, improve ranking, or attract more repeat customers. The third area to get your rank to number 1 is by combining all the SEO fields. So let's go through them. The first thing is the title, right? So if you don't have an exact match in the title, that is a super easy thing to fix. Vitamins for men, for energy, focus, stamina, performance, men's health, like a very specific way of wording this based on what the customer behavior is. Keep in mind that you can go up to Amazon and see autocomplete. So if I type in vitamin supplement for men, you can see many different autocompletes. All of those keywords can show up there. This is populated by Helium 10. You guys can see this in a variety of different tools. The autocompletes are super helpful so you understand the search volume. You can even look at title density and competing products and a bunch of other information. So title, super important. Next up is the bullet point. By the way, you should put the necessary keyword in this. I think images are for people and text are for robots. Here is a quick test. When you last bought something on Amazon, did you read the bullet points? Probably not. And so that's why it's for the robots. Alright, next up is brand story. Now let's talk about the alt text inside A+ content. Here is a trick. Use a free Chrome extension called Image Alt Text Viewer. It lets you see exactly what your competitor have added to their images. Super handy, right? Now the brand story. What I really like is the horizontal space. You can link all your different products too. Next is the product comparison chart. Filling up product comparison grid isn't just about giving details. It's a smart Amazon SEO move. Every keyword rich text like iron-free men's multivitamin or easy to swallow get indexed, increasing search visibility. Plus, shoppers can compare options quickly, leading to faster decision and more sales. Alright, now let's head to the back end of the Amazon. First click edit on your product and go to the product details section. Now one super important thing, make sure your item type keyword is filled in. If it is blank, your product won't rank properly. That's a big deal. Next, the product description. If the A+ content is present, this does not help you index, but we do fill it out just in case because you never know if Amazon might index it. Bullet points, we already covered that and I hope you understand it. However, now let's talk about the generic keyword section. Sometimes it's called search term. Make sure you include your exact match keyword in this section. Do not use comma. Also, misspelling are helpful. Spanish are super helpful. Alright, now this is the checklist to follow. Title we covered, search term field, also known as generic keywords, bullets, A+ content, question and answer. We haven't covered that yet, so let's do that right now. If we go to the very bottom of an Amazon listing, they use AI to summarize the Q&A. So this is getting a little less impactful, but still super helpful. Like the reviews, you can see smell, quality, cleans well, skin dryness, value for money. So you are getting hit. But if you go to the question and answer section, going to hit the question button, that's going to take me to the live Q&A right here. So the question right here, let's say you were selling a product and there was a medical claim you couldn't put on the listing. Guess where you can get away with it? The Q&A section of a product review listing. Social media post. This might not be the most helpful, but it's free. Plus, they might give you some extra internal Amazon link juice, which could help you rank number 1 on Amazon. So this is a really good guide on how to get ranked number 1, and I have put this in order of priority. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you want to rank your Amazon listing, you can contact us. Just send us email at info@ecomclips.com for a free consultation. That's all for today. See you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.